Let's transfer my Euphorbia Trigona from a nursery pot to ceramic. I know I'm always telling you to use nursery pots for your houseplants, but this does not apply to cacti. This is because nursery pots help to retain moisture in soil. Whilst this is great for a lot of plants, it is not great for desert plants. I knew I was going to repot this African milk tree, so have not watered in quite some time. Having dry soil makes the repot a little bit cleaner. Please use thick gloves when you are repotting a cactus. I have tried the towel hack and it did not end well. I'm planting the cacti back into the same pot. I'm adding a small mesh round down the bottom to catch any excess soil. You can buy cactus soil or make your own. Try to mimic their natural environment, which is an arid, sandy place. I'm using unglazed ceramic here, which means the pot will absorb some of the water. This happens with terracotta as well, and is a really good idea for plants that like to be drier. The pot will retain some of the water and release it into the soil as it dries. As the material is porous, both water and air can get through it. These are both so important for this plant. As always, this planter of course has a drainage hole, so let's go bottom water my Euphorbia Trigona. I water my cacti monthly in summer and less in the cooler seasons. These plants don't need a lot of fertilizer and 2 to 3 times a year is fine. As for placement, this is definitely not a bathroom plant. They like a bright, sunny spot with low humidity. The African milk tree does not like a drafty environment either. Try to keep her in a sunny spot away from an air conditioner. This doesn't apply to pots with little feet, but if you're using unglazed ceramic or terracotta, I suggest popping something underneath it if you're going to put the plant on wood. As these planters hold moisture, you can have some mold growing under your planter when you move it. Grab some stone or marble coasters, or even a little glass bowl will work.